Okay, now let's check the filling machine. We have not connected the tubing yet. After you receive the machine, you can connect the tube. You see, pour one side inside, pour one tube to suck wax from the tank, and another side connected with the filling nozzle. Okay, this is a double pump filling machine. This is the control center. First of all, we need to choose the English language, and then on the PLC touch screen we have a temperature screen, which means we can heat up the pump. From the second time using of this machine, we need to heat the pump in case of any wax plug inside, okay? And when it is heating, it's very hot. Do not touch it, it's dangerous, okay? So we can set up the temperature at from 0 to 100 Celsius as you want. Normally we set up at 80. Sorry. Oh. Okay. Set two pieces at 80 as well. And then we can press here. When it turns green, it means it's heating now. Okay, so two pieces are heating. From the second time using, before filling, you can heat it to 5 or 10 minutes, and then you can start your filling work. Okay. Okay. Fill output. This is a function which can help us to count how many pieces we have filled. And collect time, it means the time for filling one piece. It is automatic, so there is no need to revise it. We can revise this one to 0 when you receive the machine, so it can help you to count. These two pieces, they are the filling volume by ml. Okay, we need to set it up at the same. The pump 1 and pump 2 must be the same volume. Okay, for example, 200 ml. Okay, the interval time means the time between two fillings. At the beginning, you can use 2 or 3 seconds. After you get familiar with this machine, you can use 1 second to improve your production. Okay, this menu, we can use this function, you press it to test if the pump is working. Sometimes you may meet problem with this machine, such as the pump don't run. You don't know what happened. You can try to use this function to check if the pump is running. Okay. Okay. So this is the parameter. In the parameter, we can adjust the filling speed. Sometimes you fill large jars such as 500 ml, and sometimes you fill small jars such as 50 ml, right? So we cannot use the same filling speed because for a small jar, if we use very high filling speed, it will split out. If for a large jar we use the small filling speed, it will need a very long time to finish one jar. So we need to adjust the filling speed. Okay, the maximum of the filling speed will be 1,200. Remember, okay? Okay, so here we can use manual mode or out mode. Normally we use the out mode. Okay, press one time, it will be out mode. Now we use out mode, and first of all we need to turn this co-rotation on. Okay, we need to, and then we can use this remote controller. Press one time, it will start filling. Remember, the two pieces must be the same volume and the same fill speed. Okay. Okay, the pump is filling now. It's working because you can see the collect time is running, right? Okay, and then when you want to stop it at any time you want, you can press. Okay, it is stopped. See? So that will be the introduction of this part. And after you finish filling, you finish the filling work the whole day, you need to empty the tubing and the nozzle and the pump because there is still wax inside, right? We need to empty them. We need to press, first of all, we need to press this to manual mode, and then we use this co-rotation. Okay, can you hear the noise? That's from the pump. The pump will empty the wax, will pump back the wax inside your tank. Okay. Okay. So after it's emptied, you can leave it out, or you can use hot water to clean the pump and the tubing and the nozzle for tomorrow's another scent as well. Okay. Okay, that will be all for these two machines. If you have any questions during using or now, you can tell me. I will solve it for you. Okay.